everyone, Michelle McCarthy here from Homeschooling in the Pines. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you all a really easy recipe for weeknights, okay? It is, for this recipe you only need these three ingredients right here. I'm gonna be making a cheesy salsa chicken in the Instant Pot, okay? And you need chicken, either defrosted or not. You need a jar of your favorite salsa, and you need some, Mexican blend cheese or cheddar cheese shredded, okay? So the first thing you're going to do, you are going to open your salsa and you're gonna just put it in your Instant Pot, okay? Put the whole jar in the Instant Pot, okay? So next you're gonna put the chicken in the Instant Pot. It doesn't matter if your chicken is frozen or if it is defrosted, okay? Mine is almost completely all defrosted, so I'm gonna put it in the Instant Pot and I'm gonna cook it for about, and the inside is a little bit frozen, for about 25 minutes, okay? Just to make sure it cooks thoroughly. If your chicken is already completely defrosted, you can cook it for about 12 to 15 minutes, okay? In poultry, okay? What we're gonna do next, we are going to close our Instant Pot. You're gonna close the valve. You're gonna put it to the back to make sure the sealing is all the way closed. And you're gonna cook it on poultry. I say I'm gonna cook it for about 25 minutes because it is not completely defrosted. So I'm gonna cook it for about 25 minutes. If it was completely defrosted, it's between 12 and 15 minutes. When I cook chicken in here that's completely frozen, rock solid, I cook it for 35 minutes. And when I get it out, it's easily to shred. Okay, so this is gonna cook in here for 25 minutes. And when it's done, I'm gonna release the pressure and I'm gonna put about 2 cups of cheese on top and just let it, and you close it back up and let it melt with the steam. Okay, so I'll be back when the chicken's done and I'm gonna show you, I'm just gonna shred it and I'm gonna put some cheese on top. We're gonna be eating this with some Mexican rice, and if you want to learn how to do Mexican rice, just let me know below and I'll make a video on how to make yellow Mexican rice. Okay, so I released all the pressure from the Instant Pot once it was done, and then I'm gonna take the chicken out and I'm going to shred it, okay? This is such an easy weeknight meal that you can do when you don't have a lot of time, and also very budget friendly. I'm always trying to find things that are budget friendly to make during the week, okay? Because we don't have a big food budget, and things like this, they're pretty healthy and they're pretty cheap, okay? So I'm gonna shred the chicken. Alright, so I finished shredding the chicken. 25 minutes was perfect. It was really tender and really easy to shred, okay? So I'm gonna put it back in the pot, and I'm just gonna add some cheese, and I'm gonna close the Instant Pot and just gonna melt by itself, okay? And that is it. That is dinner for tonight. And I'm gonna be making a yellow Mexican rice, and if you want to see that recipe, let me know and I will make a video. It is really yummy and really easy to make in the Instant Pot. I'm gonna make it tonight in the stove because I already have the food in the Instant Pot. I only have one pot. I do want to get another one, but it's really easy also to make it in the stove. But next time I'll show you, if you want, I'll show you how to make the Mexican rice in the Instant Pot. Okay, so I put the chicken, I am going to close the Instant Pot, and the cheese is going to melt, okay? So let me know if you try this recipe. Like I said, this is so simple. Your kids can help you make it. It is fast for a busy weeknight meal, and if you are on a budget, okay? Again, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. My name is Michelle McCarthy from Homeschooling in the Pines, and I will see you all soon.